Good morning, Heyo Tribe. It's your boy Heyo Kateri. And today, I'm nervous. Tomorrow's a very big day for me. I don't know what's gonna happen. But I've come to the realization that I'm very, very misunderstood. I love people. It's just I can't deal with the low-level mindsets, the limited beliefs. I see the world very differently. I believe everybody should explore themselves so they can figure out who they are, essentially. You can always grow in any aspect of life. I don't think that I'm a terrible person. I don't think that I'm a horrible person or this irresponsible type person. It's just people never helped me, and I'm taking the blame for it. If no one's helping me, how am I supposed to help myself? How am I supposed to help them? I'm not what people think I am. I am a very, very loving person, but I can't love if no one's helping me. I'm pouring out of an empty cup. I'm finally pouring into my own cup. There's nobody that wants to be intimate with me. I think I intimidate people with my level of intimacy, I guess, because they're broken. Intimacy is very, very big in my life. It is one of the biggest things I love. I'm a cuddler, to be honest with you. I love to cuddle. I like to get to know somebody on a deeper level in their brain, help them think differently. But I miss cuddling. I miss intimacy. I miss growing with somebody, essentially. You know, it's different when you grow with somebody than when you grow alone. I know it looks like I'm a terrible person on paper, but I'm not a bad person. I'm a person who sees things differently, if you understand what I mean. I'm not a mean person intentionally. It's just I'm tired of dealing with people bullying me, abusing me. I want people to help me for once instead of me helping everybody and no one helps me. Because intimacy is everything in the world. Intimacy is love. That's true love right there. Intimacy is helping people. I helped so many people and no one helped me. I believe nature is the cure for everything. And people don't see it that way. I love to spread knowledge because I've learned a lot of things. You know? And that's my way of being intimate with people. How people grow as people. I think that if people understood my side, they would understand me. They would understand me. But I'm not this terrible person that people think I am. I don't mean to hurt people. I don't mean to, make people feel less than or anything. I just see things on a much different level that people just don't understand. And I get lied on, essentially. I was trying to protect the kids by taking them home, and people thought I was doing things that I shouldn't be doing. I'm not a person who likes to see kids struggle in life, because if it was me, I wouldn't want people to abandon me. Now, I've wasted a lot of time, energy on people, especially these kids. They're not grateful for me helping them get home. They would take advantage of me at work, and I'll still take them home. I should have just left them. And then once I started being mean, people were like, oh, why can't I use you anymore? And then they started seeing that I was this bad person. See how that works? I had to learn that people are going to perceive things to their level of perception. You have to understand that just because you don't understand somebody's perception doesn't mean it's true. That your perception of them is right. Because if you look in history, a lot of the smartest people in the world throughout history have been shunned by society. Witchcraft, the Salem witchcraft stuff, Albert Einstein, all these very, very highly intelligent people were basically just talking about science and growing yourself as a person, expanding your mindset. All these people, Wagner, he found out of continental drift. All these people that are very, very highly intelligent people have been shunned by society. But later in history, they're being applauded. So hopefully I can be applauded before that happens. I believe that you can grow in any aspect of life. And I want to help people grow, but no one's helping me grow. I haven't found a support system that helps me grow other than my uncle for the most part. But I want to grow in other aspects because he's good at teaching me certain things, but there's certain things he can't teach me. And I want to keep growing my life over and over. Like I just want to expand on my life. I want to go back to school. I want to go get some degrees and basically change this perspective of me. But I need help severely to get my life back on track because I have been lied on and plotted against. I want to be a positive light in society, not this terrible person that people think I am. But that's another episode of Heyo Kateri Productions. It's your boy Heyo Kateri. And remember, just because you don't understand things at somebody else's perspective doesn't mean that they're a toxic person. It could mean that they understand things on a higher level. So always be in a learning mindset. And that's another episode of Heyo Kateri Productions. Have a good one.